Welcome to Mama Cat Stories. Letter S. It was a sunny summer day. Baba planned a picnic at the seaside. Sarah shouted, "Yay!" And we all got very excited. We quickly started packing our little backpacks. Sana packed her swimming costume, and Sufyan quietly slipped his sweets into the bag. Finally, we settled into the car. Mom smiled when she saw all of us so happy and ready for our little adventure. On the way, Baba bought strawberry juice for everyone. It was very hot outside, so we all put on our sunglasses. Soon we reached the seaside. The bright sun, soft sand, and sparkling water made everything look beautiful. We sat together and enjoyed our picnic by the sea. The sandwiches were tasty, the juice was sweet, and everyone was smiling. The water felt cool and soothing. Sufyan tried to swim, but he mostly splashed around. "It is salty," he said, making us all laugh. After a fun-filled day, we returned to our sweet home just after sunset. We were tired, but our hearts were full of happy memories. That night, Sarah slept peacefully and dreamed of a big wave from the sea. It was a sunny, splashy, and truly wonderful day. Sarah, Senna, Sufyan, strawberry, sunglasses, seaside, sandwiches. Thanks for watching!